Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to set up a Shopify Coming Soon page. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Online Store, then select Preferences. Under the Store Access section at the very top of the page, look for the Password Protection card. By default, password protection is already turned on. You can confirm this by checking that the toggle is switched to active. In the password field directly below, type a private password that you or your team can use to bypass the page and view the store. Next, look for the message to your visitors box and type your custom announcement. Like our new collection drops Friday at 6 p.m., sign up below to get early access. Finally, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Shopify Coming Soon page. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.